Here I have VIVAX Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you have to open your internet browser, the one which you normally use, which everyone normally uses. Then tap here, then go to history, then tap clear browsing data. Then you have to select time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or the beginning of time. Then you have to select data formats which you want to clear. It could be browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, and then just tap clear data. And after that, history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.